Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Today, I'll show you how to back up your Canva design so you never worry about losing your work again. Start by opening the design you want to save. Once it's on your screen, look to the top right corner and select Share. When the menu opens, click Download. This is the easiest and most reliable way to keep a copy of your project safe on your device. Now choose your file format. If your design includes a lot of images, PNG or JPG works great. If it's something like a document, presentation or printable, go for PDF standard or PDF print. Just select what fits best for how you'll use it later. After you pick the file type, simply press download again and Canva will save the file to your computer. From there, move your backup to a safe location like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox or an external hard drive. That way, even if something happens online, your work stays protected. And that's it. Just a few clicks and your Canva design is fully backed up and safe to use anytime. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Canva guides. See you in the next one.